Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display product in single column layout, in mobile layout, in WooCommerce WordPress. So we are in mobile layout. Now you see two products show. So we are going to display one product per row. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add custom CSS. First we are going to find class or ID for this layout. Right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open and then you see product column 3. On desktop we are using 3 column layout, but on mobile layout we are going to show single column layout. Now you see li list. Now select. So when we select this, now you see media query screen, maximum width 768 pixel and then you see width 48%. So we are going to make width 100%. So copy this. So you can copy your class or ID. So you can find this by using inspect element, and we are using media query. So this CSS only apply on maximum width screen 767 pixel. So we copy this. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see we are using media screen and maximum width 768 pixel. So this is a class we are using, and then you see we change 48% to 100% width and then click on publish. So this CSS apply on maximum width screen 768 pixel, above screen 768 pixel. This CSS will not work. Now publish done. Go to mobile layout and refresh the page. Now you see single product show per row per column. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.